I have seen your YouTube channel and you are having a lots of subscriber and still you are very humble, very generous, very polite. And when I sent you my message to have conversation with you, I thought maybe will you agree or not? But you
No, no,
the
it's
next
okay.
day, yeah, the next day you replied my message very easily, and I thought you are very humble, very polite, and I found you are very down to earth, and
Thank
I
you, ma'am. Thank you
really
very much.
appreciate like you give reply the very next day of my message.
Thank you. And because there are a lot of people just who are sending messages to collaborate with me, so I have to manage those
Mhm.
people. So I do not make them hard. So that's why I'm trying my best.
Yeah, yes, it's really wonderful because you reply the very next day and you give time also for conversation.
Thank you.
And
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
hello Indrajit, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. I'm great. And thank you for sharing your precious time with me.
Thanks to you also.
And so, ma'am, I know you, but my audience want to know about you. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm Razia. I'm from India. I was born and brought up in New Delhi, but after my marriage, I have been shifted to Ghaziabad. I'm a married woman with two children, and actually, I'm a medical graduate, but right now, I'm not practicing medicine, and I'm just staying at home and taking care of my children and my home. That's about me.
Oh, great, 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 great. And so, could you please provide your English learning journey, that how you started, when you started?
Actually, I started learning English in January 2021, only a few months back, and I took it as my New Year resolution. I started learning English
Wow.
in January 2021, and I made some friends on Facebook, and I joined some Facebook groups, and I made some friends from Bangladesh, from Philippines, and from many places. And I
Wow.
just used to talk to them every day around 2 to 3 months I have done the same thing, but right now I'm not talking to them every day, and whenever I get time still I'm talking to
Yeah.
them, and this is how I improve myself. And
Oh,
previously I
wonderful.
know how to read and how to write English because my graduation was also the whole syllabus was in English, but I
Yeah.
don't use English in speaking. And right
Hmm.
now I thought like I should also learn how to
Yeah,
speak in
definitely,
English.
definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
because
Because
nowadays,
English is,
yes,
yeah, nowadays
very,
English is very necessary. Yeah.
yes, yes. So that's why by thinking all this in mind, and my children, they're also studying in an international school and they're
Oh,
speaking well. So I thought like I
wow.
should also learn how to speak in English,
Yeah,
and
sure,
my
sure, ma'am.
and that's why I started learning English, and still I'm learning. I'm a learner, and
Great, great.
yes.
Yeah, and learning English or learning any language is limitless. So you can learn it throughout your life.
Yes, yes, of course. Any language we can never learn it completely because there's always something to learn more.
Yeah, absolutely,
And
absolutely.
what about you, Indrajit? Because I also don't know much about you. I have seen only your videos on YouTube,
Okay.
and I'm very much
Yeah,
fond of your channel. And I
thank you
always
very
used to
much,
watch
ma'am. Thank you very
most of your
much.
videos with your, mostly the conversation videos on Cambly that you made. And
Okay.
I really appreciate your hard work because I think
Thank
you are
you.
studying also, as I have seen in your interviews on YouTube. You are
Yeah.
studying and then you are making YouTube videos also. That's really wonderful. So just tell
Thank you.
me something more about yourself.
Yeah, sure. As you know that my name is Indrajit and I'm from West Bengal,
Mm-hmm.
and currently I am studying engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and
Okay,
I'm in
wonderful.
final year right now. So
Mm-hmm.
after my graduation, I want to get a decent job in my fields, and also I have a YouTube channel that is called Iconic Indro. So whatever I learn, I just share there, and I love making YouTube videos. So that's why I started my YouTube channel, and I want to continue it with my jobs.
Yeah, that's wonderful. It's really wonderful to know about yourself because I have seen your YouTube channel and you are having a lots of subscriber and still you are very humble, very generous, very polite. And when I sent you my message to have conversation with you, I thought maybe will you agree or not. But you
No, no,
the
it's
next
okay.
day, yeah, the next day you replied my message very easily, and I thought you are very humble, very polite, and I found you are very down to earth, and
Thank
I
you, ma'am. Thank you
really
very much.
appreciate like you give reply the very next day of my message.
Thank you. And because there are a lot of people just who are sending messages to collaborate with me, so I have to manage those
Mhm.
people. So I do not make them hard. So that's why I'm trying my best.
Yeah, yes, it's really wonderful because you reply the very next day and you give time also for conversation.
Thank you.
And
Thank you,
because
ma'am.
I messaged a few YouTubers also, and those who are big YouTubers like you, they don't reply, even they don't reply. The small YouTubers, they reply and they get agree to make YouTube videos. But the big YouTubers, those who are having a lots of subscribers, they just don't even reply. So that's why.
Yeah, exactly. I think they are very busy, so that's why they
And
do not.
everyone is busy actually. No one
Yeah,
is that much free because
sure,
everyone is
sure.
having their own job. You know, like you are also busy. You are studying.
Yeah,
You are taking care of your family, and
absolutely, absolutely.
you are making YouTube videos also. But it like that attitude should not be there.
Hmm.
Every person should be a little humble, like
Yeah,
because
should be.
when they started their journey, they was also a small YouTuber
Have no
only.
subscribers. Yeah, absolutely,
Yes, yes,
absolutely. Yeah, we
yeah.
should help each other to grow on you.
Yes, yes, of course.
I am thinking that what inspires you to start a YouTube channel?
Actually, the YouTubers like you and many more, because I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, and by watching them, I thought in my mind, like, whatever I am learning, I should upload my videos on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah,
And
sure,
because
sure.
it is very much good to watch them again, like we can find out our mistakes, and we'll also have a channel, and it will help the other people also, those who are beginner, not for the
Hmm.
intermediate or the advanced level, but at least those who are beginners or the
Yeah,
um,
absolutely.
yes, yes, they can definitely they can find something in my videos also. I'm also having a YouTube channel by the name Razia Talks, and I just make some YouTube videos and upload over there. And nowadays, my children are also making YouTube videos and uploading
Oh,
on my
wow.
YouTube channel.
Awesome.
And
Awesome. Great.
yeah,
And so I request to my all of my audience that please visit Rajia Talks and please show your love to her YouTube contents, YouTube channel.
thank you very much. It's so kind of you.
Thank you. Thank you. And ma'am, so everyone has wish to widen his or her channel. Then what is your planning for future?
Actually, I have never thought about that. It's very difficult question for me
Yeah.
because whatever I plan, that never gonna happen. It's never happened. So I never think what is going to happen in future because I leave everything on God, and I always pray like whatever is good for me and for my family should happen. So it is like this. I never
Yeah.
thought like what
Okay.
will be.
Wonderful. Great.
Yeah.
Great. And I now I can remember one proverb that is, man proposes, God disposes. That
Yes, yes, of course.
everyone thinks about something, then it is ultimately
It is
it is
not
not
gonna
happen.
happen.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
good, good. And yeah, I want to know about from you that how do you learn English? That what difficulties or what challenges do you face in learning English?
Actually, when I started learning English, when I start speaking, I get stuck in between, and still I am having some difficulties sometimes in between, and I don't get the proper vocabulary or exact words to speak that time. Then I just use some synonyms or other words to make the other
Yeah,
person understand. But anyhow, I manage with the conversation and I continue my conversation. But this is the main problem I found, like I get stuck in between and I just
okay.
struggle for the words sometimes, so this was
Yeah,
the
sure.
problem
We
really.
we are we are learning English, and the most difficult challenges that is me also I was stuck. I'm getting stuck while speaking in English, so it is very difficult. So I
Yes,
have to
yes.
improve myself to get over this issue?
Yeah, it's, yeah, because I think for everyone, those who start learning English, this problem is with everyone. But
Yeah,
as much as we practice, this can be this problem can be eradicated, I
yeah,
think.
sure, sure, sure. Practice is the key.
Yes, yes. So we need to practice more.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And by profession, you are a doctor. You are
Yes, yes.
what is
Ayurvedic
the
doctor.
Ayurvedic doctor? Okay. And
Mhm.
have you ever encountered such patient that it is very critical to handle it?
Actually, I'm not practicing from last 10 to 12 years. I'm not in
Okay.
touch with practice. My husband is practicing. He's a hair transplant surgeon, and
Oh,
he's doing hair transplant surgeries. And I just learned hair transplant surgeries, and I assist him in OT sometimes.
oh, wow, wonderful. And so I want to know from you that how do you manage your household works
Yeah, I have a
besides
maid to.
yeah,
Yes.
besides creating such videos on YouTube?
No, actually, because I create only one or two videos in a week, and that is not too difficult because every time I am at home,
Ah, okay.
and in the morning only most of my house chores get completed, and I can
Oh,
easily do that. But for doing that also, sometimes I become very lazy. So sometimes I don't have mood to make YouTube videos, and sometimes because I feel like the people are not watching, subscribers are not increasing. By thinking all this in mind, sometimes I get like I don't
it
feel
make you
like to.
demotivated.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. I get demotivated and I don't feel like to make new videos. But then again, after a few days, I think like I should continue with that. Everyone will
yeah,
be having
sure,
the
sure.
same problem in starting, and then I make videos. But at least one or two videos in a week, I always upload.
Oh, that's great. And because on YouTube you have to be consistent
Yes, yes.
at the beginning, because
Mm,
then YouTube will provide you a lot of impressions.
okay, yeah. I just try to be consistent, but
Yeah, sure,
always it
sure.
is not possible. Yes.
Mm. It may happen because you are having a lot of works in your house, so it happens.
Yeah, and sometimes when my husband is having surgery, that day I'm very much busy because I need to assist him also in OT
Mm.
because hair transplant is a very lengthy process, like a whole day process.
Yeah,
He start at 9 o'clock in the morning till 5 to 6 in the evening. So I need to assist him in OT. So that day also I get very busy and I can't upload or I can't do any other work.
make okay. I see. I see.
When you started and what are the difficulties you faced in the starting?
Okay, yeah. I started my YouTube channel during lockdown last year, and
Okay,
at the
that's
beginning,
one.
it is very hard to get such views, to cross 100 views even, and also I think the starting journey is very difficult for me. So
Okay.
I just kept uploading my videos continuously. Then after 6 or 7 months,
Mm-hmm.
my monetization criteria is fulfilled. So
Mm-hmm.
I applied for that. Then I was happy because my at least I completed those criteria, because those
Criteria.
criteria is
Yeah, the
at
completion
the
of
beginning, yeah,
1,000
it's very,
subscribers and
and
yeah,
also
that's a very
4,000 public watch hours. It's very difficult for the
very difficult.
beginning.
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is
No
my YouTube
problem.
journey.
Okay. It's really wonderful to know about your YouTube journey. And do you teach students also, the English students?
Uh, no, no, I do not give time to teach the students
Okay,
personally.
because you don't be having that much of time.
Yeah, so
Okay.
that's why.
But in future, will you think to teach students online maybe?
Yeah, I think that if I get a chance, if I get an opportunity, then I will definitely go for that. And so, ma'am, what do you think that what are the difficulties the students or the English learners face in the at the beginning?
I think when they start their journey of learning English, the difficulties I faced and the other students they face, they have inadequate vocabulary. They are lacking in
Okay.
vocabulary. and sometimes the pronunciation difficulties they are having,
Yeah.
and they are having lack of confidence, and they are having very less knowledge of grammatical sentences,
Mm.
and sometimes
True.
they are just having a fear of making mistakes. Because of this fear, they just don't speak. They think like, if I'll speak,
Yeah,
I'll make
exactly.
mistakes and the other people will laugh. And by thinking all this in mind, they just don't speak. So without speaking, we can't learn English. So because speaking
Yeah.
is the main thing, at least we need to speak. The
Yeah,
making
absolutely,
mistake
absolutely.
is the other thing, because everyone make mistake in the starting. So at least we should speak. Without speaking, we can't learn. So
Yeah,
I think
absolutely,
the
absolutely.
fear of,
This is the,
yeah,
yeah, this is the true.
yeah. So fear of making mistake is the biggest fear they are having in their mind. So they just don't speak. They just prefer to be quiet, I think. So this
Yeah,
is what I
absolutely.
observed. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Because there are a lot of uh, subscribers who comment me that such problems that they are having, and they are facing such problems. So this is very, I think, helpful, that don't care for them
Yes, yes,
who are
of
making
course.
fun of you.
Yes, yes. If we think like other will laugh on our mistakes, then we can never learn, because in
Yeah,
our language
absolutely.
also we make a lot of mistakes. We
Yeah,
don't speak the proper Hindi. We makes a lot of mistakes. We just
yeah,
we never make proper sentences in
mm,
Hindi also, as I speak Hindi at home. So we never use our own language in a proper way. So how we expect to learn a foreign language
yeah,
in a
absolutely,
proper way? Yeah.
true.
So at least we should speak, because spoken English is very different from the written or written English. Because while writing, we have a proper time. We can make proper sentences.
Yeah, we have
We
to,
have
we
enough
can think
time.
it.
Yes, we can
Yeah.
think and then we can write. But
Mm,
while we are in a conversation with someone, we should be spontaneous, because we have to reply back to that person. So that time we don't have that much time. So whatever the simple words or whatever is coming in our mind, we just should process that thing only in our conversation and just start speaking. I think that
absolutely,
would be the
absolutely.
best thing we can do.
Yeah, your thoughts are on point. And so,
Thank you.
anything else do you want to share with me or with my audience?
Actually, those who are learning English, they should practice. The practice is the main key. They should practice whatever they are learning. They can practice. They just make some friends, because nowadays we can easily get friends. There are lots of
Yeah,
Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and Facebook
yeah.
groups, so we can easily find many friends. And we
Mm,
should practice every day. If they want to speak English, then they have to practice every day. The practice is the only key for learning spoken
yeah,
English, at least. And for writing, they can learn, because they have to work on all the four parts: reading, writing, listening, and speaking.
yeah,
But
absolutely.
reading and writing is okay, because everyone knows reading and writing. For
Mm,
they have to work on their listening and then speaking. On these two, they have to practice a lot. And this is
true.
all I want to say.
And so, my all dear subscribers, just visit her YouTube channel, Rajia Talks, and show your love to her and to her contents.
Thank you very much. And I really appreciate, because you given me time to come to your channel and have conversation with you. I'm really very happy, and yeah, that's it.
And thank you, ma'am. It is a great opportunity. It is a great way to talk with you. I am
And
also happy.
I'm also appreciating you, because you gave me your time to me. So thank you very much, Indrajit.
Welcome, welcome. So,
Okay.
thank you for joining me. Hope to see you soon again with another videos.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, sure, sure. And stay safe, stay happy. See you soon. Bye.
Okay, bye.